What you need: 2 centimetre wide strips of paper, pencil, glue stick, scissors, hole punch and some string. This decoration is a little bit like a teardrop. And if you want to, you can colour your strips of paper before you glue them together as well to give them some designs if you like. You can choose whatever coloured strips of paper you like. I'm going to go with blue, a purple and a light blue. And again, if you wanted to add lots of strips of paper and make a really big teardrop, you can do that too. I'm just going to use 5 strips of paper today. First off, I'm just going to line mine up, make sure that they're all the same size in a straight line. I also put them in the colour and the order that I want them to go when I'm making it. Then grab your pencil. We're going to mark the lengths. So I'm just going to turn it over a little bit, see that's how big the smallest one is going to be. So that's where I need to start. I'm going to make the next one a little bit bigger. There we go. And then the next one a little bit bigger again. There's the 4th one, and then the very last one, the 5th one, is going to be the whole strip without me cutting it. Then get your scissors, and I'm just going to cut that first one at the line where I've drawn it, put it back in the right place so I know what order it needs to go in. And I'm slowly going to go through and do that to all of them. If you do get them out of order, don't worry, just rearrange them smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. As long as you know what order they go in, you will be fine. Now we're going to start gluing them, so take your smallest strip, add a little bit of glue, fold it over and align the 2 edges together, give it a good squeeze. Add some more glue, do the next strip. Line them up, squeeze them together, turn it over, add some glue, fold it over, line it up, squeeze it together. Check that it looks good and then keep on going until you've done all the different strips. There we go, that looks good. If you worry that they're going to undo, stick a little peg across the top if you need to and let it dry. Right, getting ready to punch the hole in the top. Get your pencil, draw the little circle and then line it up with your hole punch. So I use my hole punch upside down so I can see where the circle is and then punch it, and that way I get the hole in the right place every time. Now we need to add some string, so cut yourself a length of string. We're going to fold it in half. There we go, match the 2 ends up. Take your time, it's a bit tricky doing these. Wrap them around your fingers and then carefully you're going to put those little 2 short bits through the loop and then carefully pull it tight. Now I always push the knot further up towards the end of the string so that I get the longest loop I can. Pull it tight, make sure it's all firm, and then we're going to stick it through the hole. There we go. So what you do is you add that long bit of the string and you put it through the loop. There we go. And that holds it in place. Now it's all ready to hang up.